Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer your Netflix profile. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you're mooching off someone else's Netflix account, the company's password sharing crackdown may have you spooked. If you want to make the move before you access it cut, you can transfer a profile to your own subscription and keep your recommendation, watch list, and more. Netflix makes the process difficult as the account owner must enable the ability to transfer account. So how to do it? It's very simple. So first we have to open our Netflix. You can log into your Netflix account on your mobile phone or your PC. Here's I'm using my Netflix web on my laptop. Now you can choose your profile on Netflix that you want to transfer. This one will transfer my. You can log in. You can enter your profile. After that, you can click on your profile in here, and you'll find there is an option transfer profile. You can just click on that. So here's start your profile transfer. Transfer recommendation, viewing history, my list, save games, settings, and more. Own your account or join an existing account and keep everything you love about this profile. Netflix will leave a backup copy of this profile on the original account. Now you can start profile transfer. Where do you want to transfer this profile? New account, you can transfer this profile and purchase my own new Netflix membership or an existing account. Maybe for example, you want to transfer to your new account, you can just choose on new account. After that, you can just click on next. And in here, you can enter a new email address and password for your account. For example, now tap on next. Now you can choose your plan. Tap on next. Here you can choose your plan, the mobile, basic, standard, or premium. And here for that you can just tap on next and you just finish the step by step to transfer your Netflix profile. It's very simple, right? So that is how to transfer your Netflix profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!